Logic board removal. To begin, you will want to have your Phillips head screwdriver ready. You'll notice a screw here, 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 holding the cable in place. There's a board to lift up around the fan there, and a hidden screw here. Also, there's a bar holding in place two cables with two screws here and here. Go ahead and remove these. You'll notice a cable for the fan located on the logic board there. Also, you'll notice a cable here underneath the tab. Two cables up top. The MagSafe cable located here. And the video cable located here. Gently remove these. These cables should come off the logic board easily. Don't use a lot of force in removing the cables. Sometimes rocking back and forth the cable to remove it from the socket is best. There is one screw holding down the fan here. Go ahead and remove that. And now remove the fan. Now simply lift up and out to remove the logic board.